और बताओ. So this one is the central administrator. Okay, so here you are getting all the feature
Yes.
what you can do in SharePoint. Okay, that is application management, system setting, monitoring, backup and restore, security, upgrade and migration, general applications, and configuration result. Okay, so if you go in application management, already these all are available here also. Yeah. So now when you try to create any site, okay, so how we can do it? Manage web application. Okay,
Yes.
so if you want to create, you go here and click new. So from here you can select what type of application you're trying to create. Okay, so first you can say claim based or classic model. If you select claim based, then what is the difference? Okay, claim based is based on form based authentication with membership provider and role based provider. Okay, claim based is form based authentication where you have to provide the membership provider and role based provider. Okay, membership, so user must be the member of this SharePoint and he having some role, means just as I told you that admin, this, okay, contributor, whatever it is, so they have to be in the role of anyone. So currently I am going to create a classic mode authentication. Okay, so in classic mode authentication, just I want to give here create a new. So what you can do, give 23,000. Okay, and here you can say, or just don't do here. What is your name? LSHMI KANTH, and we are going to give the port number 23,000. Okay, so look here we have port number, header no need to give, and here it is your path. So just copy this path, automatically it's taken 23,000. Okay, so it's going to create a folder in this path. Once you will be do create, on that time it will create a folder in this path. See, init path www.wss virtual directory. And okay, just let's see. So now we have here, this is your URL. Okay, this is your URL. And do you want to use existing pool application or not? Okay, it's up to you. So and otherwise it is creating a new one. We will tell you later that what is the application pool. Okay, so predefine, come. This is your content database. This is your content, this is the content database server. Okay, so just take it back up and you can say here notepad, we will show you one by one. Okay, so this is your content database. So what you can do, don't change the server, just change the 23,000. Just I'm giving the name of the content database since. Okay, and you are getting this all features. Okay, No, it's done.
New application.
New web application. Okay. So what is the problem? Oh shit. Sorry. Go back. Who is using our?
What is that?
Just your recording. So what you can do? Someone is using, so what you can do, give
2050.
29, yes, acha, 1 1 1 1, how much it is? 1, okay, 1 1 1, okay,
Yes.
touch me.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so this is the path. First we will check it up that this path will not available for anyone else, otherwise again we will, no, this path is not available, or you can go here and you can check it up. So 23,000 was already there, that's the reasons we are not getting, we can't able to create it. So now this is your URL, just take it up. We can take it later also, that's not a problem, but anyway. And now we are saying predefined network services applications mode. So here we can say 11133. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so in this way we are going to create our, this is the web application. Web application, look here what you are getting, create new web application. Okay, so this web application is the topmost application. Okay, inside it we are going to create multiple site. How much you can want, you can create a site. So if you think, then we can take it paintbrush. Okay, so think in this way. We have, this is a web application.
Yes.
Okay, and below it we can say these all are site. These all are site. Okay.
Yes.
And you can create, okay, sub-site as well. Okay.
Yes.
Sub-site. So this is your
application.
web application. This is not header. Web application is the topmost application in the form. Okay. and this web application can hold multiple sites and subsites.
Okay.
This is your site. Okay,
Yes.
this is your site. This is your subsite. Okay,
Yes.
same way this one is also subsite. Subsite. Getting
Yes.
point?
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah.
So this is your web application. Currently we have created web application. This was our where it is. Still it is taking time to process. So in our site and website, so think each site and subsite, okay, can hold list, okay, can hold list, library, web pages, etc. Okay,
Yeah.
and search, workflow, subsite as well. Getting?
Yes.
Getting or not?
Yes, I am getting.
Okay?
Yes.
So now we can check.
So what is workflow, sir?
Will come one by one. So now look. Here you are getting Microsoft Sharepoint Foundation web application has been created.
Yes.
Web application has been created. They are not saying that site get created. If this is the first time that you have used this application tool with a SharePoint web application, you must wait until the Internet Information Service (IIS) website has been created on all servers. By default, no new SharePoint site connections are created with web application. Look, no new SharePoint site collection.
Okay, okay, sir.
Just we are coming. SharePoint site collection are created with web application. If you have just created a form-based authentication web application, then before creating a new site collection, you will need to perform some additional configuration steps. Okay. Once you are finished to create a new site collection, go to the create site collection page.
Okay.
So now come to the point. This is your web application. First time you have created, it will be in your web application. So this one is your site collection, this one is your site collection, this one is the site or subsite, this one is your site or subsite. Each and every site collection and your subsite holds list, library, web pages, web forms, search, workflow, subsite, lot of things. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to create a site collection.
Site collection.
Okay, so what do you mean by collection? Collection means when we have multiple site.
Okay.
What do you mean by collection? Collection means multiple. So when we have multiple site, then we can say site collection. Are you getting my point or not? So that collection, it means that this site is holding this subsite, this subsite. Okay, maybe this subsite can also hold multiple subsite. Okay, there is lot of sites and subsite you can create.
There is no limitation.
There is limitation, but whatever we are thinking right now, for that there is no limitation.
Okay.
Okay, so here just you have to give HR. I am giving HR. I am creating a site for HR. So now we have this type of
Collaboration.
yes, templates are available in Sharepoint. This much of collaboration, meetings, enterprise, publishing, and custom, these all are available here. So now we have to create based on that. So you can go blank site. Just I am creating the blank site. Here I am giving user, those who will control this site, that is the administrator. Okay, and now we are going to say okay. It will take time, some more time. So what will be happen? Once it will be done, you will be get your site collection.
Site collection.
Okay, that site collection, after that you can make your multiple site on it or sub-site on it. Okay, so here we can say that okay, top level site collection created. Okay, look here, top level site successfully created. Top level means this is the site collection. Okay, the new top level site was created successfully with a specified URL. If you have permission to view the website, you can do in new browser window by clicking the URL. To close the dialog box, click OK. Okay, so this one it's done, your site creation. So just let it be load, get loaded. Okay, so you have to give the password because it is window based classic mode. Okay, that is based on our window. And after that, so what is done? It is your site collection created. Okay, so with the libraries, list, decision, HR, whatever the title we have given. Okay.